Justin is doing some punching bag. Go, Sheppy, go, punch it. Go, Sheppy. Punch that bag. All done?
This is what you do in Spider-Man.
Oh man. Rainy day exercise.
Spider-Man, oh Spider-Man.
Now punch, punch, punch. Jab, jab, cross. Put some muscle into it. Come on.
This is what you do in
Oh, Weston balancing on a medicine ball. Whoa. Okay, we have Shepherd doing his Spider-Man crawl up the punching bag.
Yeah.
Go, boy, go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, use that muscle. You got to the top. Maverick is on the bongo board
Yeah.
practicing lay down surfing.
Let's go, Maverick. Let's go. Hit the ball.
Catch the wave. Woohoo! Okay, let's try standing up. Okay, we're gonna try standing up. Oh yeah, bongo board, baby.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be good surfing practice for when summer comes back. Maverick's gonna show you some kicking. We have an extra punching bag here on the ground. It's a perfect thing to kick to get that energy out. Ready? Go, boy.
1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Woohoo! Maverick's gonna show you medicine ball drops.
1.
Oh yeah.
Go!
Woohoo! Whoa, man. You're getting strong.
5.
Oh yeah, where's your muscle now?